What I found most interesting about the whole thing, we did several tests. Every time the soy oil would be the victor. I am Jonathan Kreger, the executive chef of the Inn at Virginia Tech.
The Inn at Virginia Tech is Virginia Tech's very own on-campus hotel and conference center. I'm Max Kiebach, Director of Food and Beverage at the Inn at Virginia Tech. We have very high expectations here in our community. A lot of these people are very well traveled and they want the best quality, they want the best freshness.
Our fried offerings, they're very important that we get them right because they're some of our signature items.
In the fryers, we upgraded a few years ago from a commodity oil to a high oleic canola oil. We were convinced that we were using a really top-of-the-line product, and it still is. But I think it's always worth looking to see where you can make further improvements and do better. We recently started to bring in the high oleic soybean oil to compare it side by side with the high oleic canola oil. We found that the soy oil really extends the life of the fried food in terms of the crispness and the presentation.
There was definitely an improved color, a more pure kind of that golden brown that you're always looking for in anything fried.
We noticed that the products that were fried in the soy oil seemed to absorb less fat.
It appealed to us in a number of ways. I think mainly in that there's such a local component to it.
We've learned soybean oil comes from American farms. It is very important for the people here to include as much as possible foods that have been grown locally or within the region, or in the very least within the country.
So we had the local component, we had a better food quality component as far as texture, taste, and color, and then there was less residual oil as well.
It was a great surprise. It was a very positive surprise. It was just such a win-win in the end because our whole team really loved it.